Very good morning, student. This is Rahul Garg, your maths teacher. Student, we are doing chapter number 4, that is quadratic equation, and we almost finished this chapter. We are left with only 2 or 3 important problems, that is based on word problems. First of them is based on water taps, which is very similar to that is time and work, which we have already discussed in question in which we have given 2 men and 7 boys, I think. Okay, student. So here we have question that 2 water taps can fill a tank in 9 into 3 by 8 hours. The tap of larger diameter takes 10 or less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. स्टूडेंट, इस क्वेश्चन में हमें दो वाटर टैप की बात की है। जब वो दोनों ओपन होती है एक साथ तो वो किसी भी एक टैंक को 9 इंटू 3 बाई 8 आवर में फिल कर देती है। अगर सेपरेटली वो ऑपरेट करते हैं तो लार्जर डायामीटर वाली जो टैप है वो 10 आवर लेस लेती है एज कंपेयर टू स्मॉलर वन, और हमें सेपरेटली बताना है कि वो कितना कितना टाइम लेते हैं उस टैंक को फिल करने में। सो फर्स्ट वी लेट द टाइम टेकन बाय स्मॉलर टैप टू फिल द टैंक। जो स्मॉलर डाया वाली टैप है वो किसी मतलब टैंक को फिल करने में कितना टाइम लेती है वो हमने लेट कर लिया x r। नाउ if smaller tap takes x hour, then the larger tap will take 10 hour less. Then the time taken by the larger diameter tap to fill the tank will be x minus 10 hour. Now, in 1 hour, smaller tap fill the tank. One next part, in 1 hour, smaller tap fill the water tank. 1 by xth part of the tank. Similarly, larger tap will fill 1 by x minus 10th part. Now, both tap will fill the tank in 1 hour, 1 by xth part plus 1 by x minus 10 hour. But according to our statement, both tap fill the tank in 9 into 3 by 8 hour, which equals 75 by 8 hour. But in 1 hour, they will fill the 8 by 75th part. Now, take LCM x into x minus 10. This will become x minus 10 plus x equals 8 by 75. Then on cross multiplying, this will become 2x into 75 means 150x minus 750 equals 8x square minus 80x, and 8x square minus 230x plus 750 equals 0. And this is our quadratic equation which can be solved by using any method. First one is factorization method, and second is completing the square method, and third is quadratic formula. But the best one is quadratic formula and factorization method. Which one you want? You will find the value of x and you will find two values of x, in which one will be negative and second will be positive. And you know, we let the x as a time, and time cannot be negative, so we will ignore the negative value of x. Okay student, एक बार रिपीट कर लेते हैं। हमने सबसे पहले लार्जर और स्मॉलर टैप का टाइम टेकन लेट किया कि कितने टाइम में वो टैंक को फिल कर सकते हैं, और उसके बाद हमने उनका 1 आवर का एफिशिएंसी निकाली कि 1 आवर में कितना वो वाटर टैंक को फिल करते हैं, उसके बाद अकॉर्डिंग टू स्टेटमेंट हमने क्या किया, जो हमें दिया हुआ था कि 9 इंटू 3/8 आवर में कंप्लीट करते हैं, तो वहाँ से हमने 1 आवर का वर्क निकाल लिया कि 1 आवर में कितना पार्ट फिल करेंगे, और यहाँ से 1 आवर को ऐड कर दिया दोनों टाइप का, और इक्वेशन बनाई क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन, और क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन को उसके बाद सॉल्व कर लेंगे. नाउ आवर सेकेंड सम इज the difference of squares of two numbers is 180 and the square of smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Find two numbers. First, let the larger number, and the larger number is x, and here we are talking about squares of the numbers. So square of larger number will be x square, and that of smaller number, which we are given that the square of smaller number is 8 times the larger number, means 8x. Now the difference of square of two number is, if the number is larger, then its square also be larger, means x square minus 8x, the difference is 180, and x square minus 8x minus 180 equals 0. This is our quadratic equation, which can be solved by using factorization and quadratic formula. Here I am applying quadratic formula, which says that x equals minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. And on comparing this quadratic equation with ax square plus bx plus c, we get b equals minus 8. b will be minus 8 plus minus b square minus 8 whole square minus 4 into a will be 1, c will be minus 180 divided by 2 into 1. This will become plus 8 plus minus 64, 8 square 64 minus minus plus, and 4 into 180 will become 720 divided by 2, and 8 plus minus, this will become 784 divided by 2, and 8 plus minus 784 square root will be 28 divided by 2, means my first value of x will be 8 plus 28 divided by 2, and my second value will be 8 minus 28 by 2, and this will be equals minus 10. And now the square of smaller number will be 8 into x, means 8 into minus 10 will be minus 80, and we know that the square can't be negative, so not possible. This is not possible because square can't be negative. And here we will get x equals 36 divided by 2 equals 8, and this is our larger number, and smaller number will be square root of 8x. This is my, if this is my square, then the smaller number will be square root of 8x. 8 into x 18, this will become square root of 144 and 12. So our number are 18 and 12. Now our third sum is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meter and area 400 meter square? Means if it is possible, then our discriminant will be positive, because we have already discussed in our last lecture that discriminant equals b square minus 4ac. If discriminant is b square minus 4ac, and there are three possible cases, that is, if discriminant is positive, then there will be two distinct roots, or if discriminant equals 0, then two equal and real roots, or third case is if discriminant is negative, that is d less than 0, then it will have not real roots. Means we check this discriminant. My discriminant, let the length of rectangular park x meter. Now area is 400 meter square, then breadth will be area upon length, because area of rectangular park is length into breadth, then the breadth will be 400 divided by x meter. Now according to statement, perimeter equals 80 meter and perimeter A of rectangular park is twice of length plus breadth, and twice length is x and breadth is 400 divided by x equals 80 meter. And now this will become x plus 400 divided by x equals 40, and x square plus 400, if I am taking x LCM, then it will become x square plus 400 divided by x, and this x will become multiply with this 40, and x square minus 40x plus 400 equals 0. Now check the discriminant, which is b square minus 4ac. Now b square is minus 40 square minus 4, a is 1 and c is 400. This will become positive 600 and this will become negative 600, means discriminant is 0. If discriminant equals 0, then two real and equal roots exist. Means we can say that yes, it is possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meter and area 400 meter. If our discriminant will be negative, then we will say that no, it is not possible to design such a rectangular park. Okay students, thank you students.